Hi there, my name's Sandy, I'm from Spiral Crafts and Workshops, and today's video is about getting you in the right headspace to get the most out of your wire art session. Now I've got more videos coming up, so if you want to catch those then click subscribe and the bell next to it will give you the notifications. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if there's any tutorials that you want to see then drop us a comment underneath and we'll get onto those as well. So, top 3 tips for getting in the right headspace for wire art. Here we go. Now, practice, practice, practice. You're always going to be in a position where you don't make everything perfectly first time, okay? It happens. Even the best people out there, even the top people, they all make mistakes and we all have to do things again sometimes, you know? And sometimes you make something, like I'll be making this one. So this is a little birdie that I wanted to make and I just don't like it, you know. It's okay, but it's not finished and it's starting to get a bit lumpy in places. So it's just one of those things that happens. I learnt a lot making this piece. You do learn as you go along, but they don't always work out. So don't beat yourself up about it. Just take it in your stride. All of us do it. It's just one you have to chalk up to experience. Don't worry about it. Keep going. Right, that's tip 1. Tip 2. Yep, it's fiddly. Wire art can be really, really fiddly in places. So when you're making something like the butterfly in my other video, it's not so bad when you're doing the big stuff here, you know. It's fairly easy just to keep going on those. A little bit of twiddle at the top, but this bit in the middle where I don't know if you can see here, I've put some wire wrap around, and trying to keep the wires in place while you're wire wrapping at the same time can be really, really fiddly, and wire art can be fiddly. So if you don't like fiddly, then it might not be the best hobby for you to do. But if you do like fiddly, if you're a bit like me and I'll sit and concentrate on doing the fiddly bits, then you'll have a great time with it. But if you find it fiddly, don't get angry with yourself. It is fiddly. We all find it fiddly. Just carry on, keep going, you know. So that's tip 2, and I'm going on to tip 3 now. So, patience. It kind of comes with the fiddly bit that I've just covered. You do need patience with wire art. These things don't make themselves overnight. Looking at the little birds, you know, there's hours of work in here. So don't go into this thinking you're going to knock something like this out in 5 or 10 minutes or even an hour, because it's not going to happen. So go in with the attitude and the headspace that this is going to take time and I need to take my time to do it. Yes, it's going to be fiddly and yes, it's going to be fun, but take your time. Be patient and don't beat yourself up for this either. Don't beat yourself up because it's taking too long, because it can never take too long. It takes as long as it takes. So there's your top 3 tips. Have fun with them. Get yourself in the right headspace when you do your wire art, and you'll have a great time. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see the rest of the videos that are coming up, click subscribe and the notification button, and if there's anything you want to see, drop us a comment underneath and we'll get onto it for you. Take care.